Hello and welcome to Kotlin lesson. Today's lesson will be about visibility modifiers. We've got four types of visibility modifiers. We've got the public, which is the default modifier. Anything that you declare will be public if you didn't specify the modifier. So public will be accessed from everywhere. Private is the strict one. If you declare it inside the class, will be only available inside that class. Internal will be available inside the same modulo, and protected will be only available inside the class and its drifted class. Here we created a class base. It has var name and we declare it open because we want to create a subclass from this class. So here we've got the name is public because it's public by default. We didn't specify the modifier. Then we've got the age, which is private, and we've got language, and it's protected, so it's only available inside this class space, and it's drifted class, like class drifted, which is inherit from base. Language will be available here too. Private will only be available inside the base class, this class only. And then we've got the internal, and it's equal internal height, and it will be available in the same modulo. So here we created and drifted class from the base class, and we got an access to language, but we cannot get access to private. An error will occur. Private, println. If I want to print the age, I will get an error. And here it says make age public, or make it internal or protected, so I could access it, but because it's private I cannot access it from the drifted class. So here as you could see in the main function, I create an object from the drifted class, and then I said print a.name, and it's fine. I don't have any error because name is public. And then I said println a.age, and I have an error because age is private and I cannot access it. It's only available in the base class. So here said to correct my error, make age public or internal. So age I cannot access it because it's private. And then I've got the language, which is only available in the base class and its drifted class, but I cannot access it directly from here. So here it said to correct my error, make language public, because now it is protected and it's only available inside the base class and the drifted class, its subclass. And lastly, I've got the height, which is internal, and I can access it just fine. And now if I run this code, it should run. Here it printed and the height.